Hey everybody, this is the fourth here, and welcome to Sound Explained, Reverb, and Delay. When you hear a sound in the real world, you don't just hear a single waveform of that sound. The sound will travel from the source in multiple directions, and bounce off walls and other objects it comes in contact with. So when you hear a sound, you'll hear it directly from the source, along with these reflections. Or you may hear only the reflections if the direct path from the sound source to you is blocked or obstructed. And this phenomenon is what reverb and delay plugins attempt to recreate. Delay can recreate the effect that happens when there is a long distance involved, such as if you shout echo into a canyon. And reverb can recreate this kind of effect that happens over a much shorter distance, such as if the sound is occurring in a room or even a concert hall. And you can see this on many algorithmic reverb plugins. They will have different parameters that you can affect that relate to the room that the reverb plugin is attempting to put that sound in. I'll take a better look at reverb plugin parameters in another video in this section of the tutorial.